Hey guys, so these are the cables that came with the engine, and as you can see it has corrosion, so I had to cut through and then I had to cut more until finally got it clean. Look at this, it has so much corrosion. Look at this. I don't know if you can see that there. Look at this. I just did that because someone stole my GoPro and I had footage on there. It is not even the footage, just the fact that somebody stole it and I can't get another one. It was my GoPro 7. After all that I took off, it still has corrosion. Not the positive one, but the negative one. How deep do I have to go for the corrosion to stop? Because I think if it has corrosion, it's not going to do contact with the battery. I think I might have to get new cables. This sucks. Alright, so there goes. I cut the positive one because I want the cord to be even. So let's see what happens now. So there it is. No more corrosion. No more dandruff on here. Oh, this one's the thing just broke off. Yep. So now I have to go to Home Depot and get something to tie this onto the other thing and then heat shrink it, which I do have heat shrink. Alright guys, I'm sorry, I'm just sad that somebody stole my GoPro, and I'm sad because I can't purchase another one. They're just so expensive, and it's not like I'm going for the GoPro 9 or the 10. I'm going for the one I had, which was either I just want the older model ones, because I have one extra battery that could fit on your GoPro. It has to be either 6, 7, I think the 8 might fit, but the 9 and the 10 they just came out with, it won't fit. My batteries won't fit. I'll have to get new batteries, and like I said, I can't afford that. Alright guys, have a great one. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this and see if the engine will start either today or tomorrow. Alright, so I tried out the cables and they work. Now what I'm going to do is take my drill, clean this off, or at least try to clean it off. Because, like I said, maybe by going to this place, what is this, Harbor Freight, I could get new cables, or maybe I could just get these right here and just clip them and then join them in here like that. But I don't want to keep on investing money, and these cables work, so what I'm going to do is just clean them up. Alright, so let me go ahead and do this. I have to hold it with one hand and use this. As you can see, it's already coming off. I don't know how I'm going to do it to clean in there, but I'll try it. I'll be back. The battery died, but this is how clean I've got them so far. You can see the copper already coming through, but I'm going to keep on if it is copper. So I'm doing this, and this is for the bolt, but they're going to oxidate again. I still need to do some more here. Look. But They look better than what they did before. Maybe I could hit them up with some kind of spray, like the top part, not the inside, but right here, so it won't corrode anymore. Yes. I'm gonna put my battery to charge and keep on doing it when it's charged. That's what it looks like after I cleaned it. I couldn't do the inside because of that, but I did open them up and clean in here with that thing. I don't know what the hell they did to this. It looks like they ran it over. I could probably get a hammer and work it back into place, but as long as it does contact, it's good. They came out pretty clean. Alright, I guess that's it. I'm gonna also clean this off right here. This can't be. This is really dirty. So I'm gonna put some degreaser and clean this off because that's filthy. So, what do you think? You think it looks better now? Or it looked before? Let me know.